come?
in Portland, Oregon.
Or on our website. Okay, so there we go. Here's Clayton.
Hello, hello.
Hi. And what?
Hi, hello.
We're here with Animal Equality, and we're just going to ask a few questions. We're going to ask you how you first got into this.
So I first got into
And
this
what her name is,
because
too.
I was vegetarian for a long time, and I know something was missing. I know I had to become vegan, and so I wasn't really prepared to be an advocate for animals because I know I was an advocate. But as soon as I became vegan, a few years later, and I became vegan basically because of Gary Yourofsky. I know probably you know about him. He made an awesome speech that is available on the internet. It's called Best Speech You Will Ever Hear.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
so that's how I first got involved, and then I was looking for the most efficient organization in Italy that worked in a way that was like-minded, because I wasn't really into the aggressive approach like I was, like instinctively, but then by studying by informing myself on the internet and reading books, I found out that there are other ways of getting to people. Sorry if I'm not looking.
No,
into the
you're great.
camera.
It's great. No, you're great.
And so I was really inspired by the work of organizations such as Humane League in America or Mercy for Animals. And let's say the nearest organization I found was Animal Equality that was operative in Madrid, in Europe. And then it opened an headquarter in Italy as well, and I caught the chance,
Yeah.
and I became an activist
Right.
basically right away. And I was really shy at that time, and then I found the strength to be an advocate for animals because they need us, and they need us to be strong, and they need us to be courageous because they have no voice, and we have to be their voice.
Perfect. And it's perfect. We're almost out of time. So what's your name?
So I'm Alice. I'm the campaigns manager for Animal Equality in Italy, and yes, that's
Okay.
it. If you want, I can talk a little bit about this project.
Oh, sure, please. Yeah, just don't be surprised if it cuts off because I don't know how long my phone goes. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry, because this is more interesting than my.
Oh no,
experience.
This is please go.
So we recently developed and launched this virtual reality project that allows the people to be. Okay, sorry, I got confused. No, stop it.
Oh.